So now that you have your results, we're now going to work on your conclusion. So the conclusion is going to be 300 to 500 words. Uh, Basically, the whole premise of that is okay, now that we have done this survey, we've analyzed the data, what does that data tell us? So to start off your conclusion, just sum up your results. So again, in your results section, I just had you present the data only. You didn't give me anything else. So now this is your chance to go through and actually explain the data and what the data tells us. Then next you want to say, okay, based off of that, the data does or does not support my hypothesis, and then you can give your explanations of why you feel the data does or does not meet your hypothesis. Uh, then what do the results tell us about the population? So now you're going to make a generalization based off of what you have obtained from your small sample. And again, we're going to use that to, I don't know, so let's say that I found that overall most students live a healthy lifestyle. So then that's my generalization that I can make towards all students. So I say, okay, based off my small sample, I can say that the majority of students live a healthy lifestyle. And again, we couldn't generalize it to all students. We could just say community college students because that's kind of the group that we're dealing with. And again, it totally depends on what your sample was. So just be aware of that. Limitations are factors that negatively affect your results. So that could be, let's say that I did my health survey and I went over to McDonald's and I passed out my surveys. Part of the issue could be that people at McDonald's may not live as healthy a lifestyle as somebody who went to, I don't know, El Pollo Loco. I don't know. I'm just guessing. So that would be one thing. Another limitation would be that we have a small sample size. So you're only doing 40 students. In order to get an accurate representation of the population, you need to survey probably not even triple that, like 10 times over that. So you probably need about 4,000. So that would be another limitation. The last part is your suggestions for further research. So just other topics that you think would be able to delve deeper into what you guys have started with your survey. Okay. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Again, it says 300 to 500 words in a Word file.